Looking for ways to hang out and have fun with your friends when you can't actually see them in person? Whether you're stuck at home or your friends live far away, Houseparty can help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Houseparty app. Now let's get started. If you don't have a Houseparty account yet, check out our tutorial on how to sign up for Houseparty. We'll leave a link in the description box below. Let's go over the basics of the app's home screen. Tap the smiley face icon in the top left corner. Then you can add people you may know, or tap Add Friends to add someone by their username, from your contact list, from Facebook, Nearby, Snapchat, or copy your profile link to send to them. If you tap the gear icon in the top left of this window, you'll be taken to your settings. Here you can edit your profile, change permissions, activate private mode, and more. If you tap Edit Profile, you can change your email address, name, username, and birth date. You can also add a profile image and connect your Snapchat account if you'd like. If you swipe from right to left on your main screen, you'll be taken to your inbox. Here you can wave at your friends to get their attention and message them if you're not able to video chat. You can also send your friends video messages called FaceMail. To record a FaceMail, hold down the shutter button and record your video message. Release the shutter button when you're done. If you're happy with your video once you've seen the preview of it, tap Send. You'll be notified in the chat once your friends have watched your FaceMail message. To start a call with your friends, swipe up on your screen. Then tap the phone icon beside the name of the friend or group you want to call. If your friends are already in the Houseparty app, you can simply tap Join to start a call with them. You can have up to 8 people in one Houseparty call. Use the plus sign in the top right corner to add additional people to a call you're already in. While on a call, use the icons at the bottom of the screen to switch between the front and back cameras on your device. Lock your chat to prevent anyone else from joining, or turn your microphone on or off. If you tap the menu icon in the bottom left corner, you'll see options to share your screen, record a FaceMail, or turn your camera off. Use the X icon in the bottom right corner if you want to exit a call. To play a game with your friends, tap the dice in the top right corner. Then select the game you'd like to play together. There's Heads Up, Trivia, Chips and Guac, and Quick Draw. Your video chat will continue while you and your friends play the game together. Simply follow the instructions on your screen to play. That's everything you need to know to use Houseparty. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.